Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, John Reese React. How are you all guys? I hope you are doing well and amazing. And let's travel to one of our favorite country, which is Switzerland. Oh my God, Switzerland, especially in the particular in Basel, it will be the place or where the Eurovision Song Contest it will be held. And this video it was suggested to our friend or supporter from Switzerland. And yeah, I was so happy that someone from Switzerland wanting, especially from Basel, wanting me to react with the video where the destination of Eurovision Song Contest will be held this coming May. Oh my God. And thank you so much, Christian Matias, for suggesting with this. I'll put in here the link, and he has also a channel, guys, that we really have to support, and I will be using his video for my reaction to Basel, Switzerland, where the country will be held the song Eurovision. And also credit to the owner also with this video, guys, to find discoveries. I'll put in the description box below, and also the Eurovision Song Contest, because I will use two videos in this reaction, and we have to do first from Eurovision Song Contest. And let's get to know first about Basel or Basel. Basel, also known as Basel, is a city northwestern Switzerland on the river of Rhine at the transition from the high to the upper Rhine. Basel is Switzerland's third most populous city. Oh, wow! After Zurich and Geneva, with 177,595 inhabitants within the city. Municipality limits. The official language of Basel is Swiss Standard German, and the main spoken language is the local Basel German dialect. Basel is commonly considered to be the cultural capital of Switzerland, and the city is famous for its many museums, including the Kunstmuseum, which is the first collection of art accessible to the public in the world in 1661 and the largest museum. Wow, this is amazing and interesting. That's why I think the Eurovision Song Contest, or the Basel or the Switzerland country, these I think they won the bid to represent or to host the country during this Eurovision Song Contest. And I'm so lucky that someone, our supporter who watched with our video from Eurovision Song Contest, and asking me to react in this place. Oh my God, I'm so really excited, because we did some few video reaction of those artists to represent Eurovision Song Contest 2025. I'll put in here some of those links, guys, so that you can check also. And thank you so much, Christian Matias, for suggesting with this. And I'm so excited with this one. Let's get to it and enjoy.
You're a superhero.
With this. Have fun.
Welcome to Basel, a city fueled by emotions, moved by rhythm, marked by contrasts, led by curiosity, enchanted by colours, embraced by art, shaped by bold visions, spoiled by the sweet life and all kinds of flavors, motivated by play, enriched by diversity, surrounded by joy, carried by love, and united by music. This is Basel.
Wow, this is Basel. Goodness gracious, the way how she narrated with that one, it gave me goosebumps that I'm really excited for this year's Eurovision Song Contest, the host country Basel, Switzerland. Goodness, let's proceed to the second video that I have to attach, and this is from
The
Matthias,
Eurovision
guys.
Song Contest 2025 is set to be the 69th edition of the Eurovision Song Contest. It is scheduled to take place in Basel.
following the country's victory at the 2024 contest with the song The Code by Nemo. St. Jacob Shell has a flexible seating arrangement, allowing it to accommodate different types of events. The capacity can vary, but it can host up to
Baco.
12,400 spectators for concerts.
After a competitive selection process that saw a number of potential host cities narrow down to Basel and Geneva, Switzerland's third most populous city won out and will host the 69th Eurovision Song Contest. The bid process examined facilities at the venue, local infrastructure and the ability to accommodate thousands of visiting delegations, crew, fans and journalists from around the world, amongst other criteria. 31 of the 37 participating broadcasters will compete in semifinals on Tuesday 13 and Thursday 15 May, with the top 10 from each qualifying for the grand final on Saturday the 17th of May based on public votes. The draw to determine in which semi-final they will perform will take place in Basel on Tuesday the 28th of January. The other 5 broadcasters from France, Germany, Italy, Spain and the United Kingdom are pre-qualified for the grand final, with host broadcaster SRGSS are from Switzerland. The hosts are Hazel Brugger, Michelle Hunziker and Sandra Studer will be presenting the Eurovision Song Contest 2025 when it comes to us from Basel in May. Hazel Brugger, Sandra Studer and Michelle Hunziker will present the grand final, while Hazel Brugger and Sandra Studer will also host the first semifinal and the second semifinal. 2 more hosts, Melanie Freeman and Sven Epany, will be presenting the pre-show party and public viewing in the Arena Plus, the repurposed St. Jacob Park football stadium. They will also be live on air during the grand final to announce the Swiss points during the eagerly anticipated voting segment. The Basel 2025 stage, the stage design for the 69th Eurovision Song Contest, has been inspired by Switzerland's mountains and diversity. Florian Wieder, the production designer with Swiss roots, is overseeing the Eurovision stage design for the 8th time. For this year's event at the St. Jacob Shell in Basel, Florian reveals that he has taken inspiration from the Swiss mountains and the country's linguistic diversity. Our goal was to create a revolutionary stage concept, a holistic experience that we've never seen before at Eurovision. Thanks to the immersive stage layout, the audience will get to be part of Eurovision like never before. Aside from Ireland, only 4 other countries have won Eurovision while also hosting the event. They are Switzerland, in the very first contest in 1956, Spain in 1969, joint winners with the UK, Netherlands and France, Luxembourg in 1973, and Israel in
That
1979.
was so amazing video. Goodness gracious. Even that's like a 3 minutes video, but I enjoyed watching those beautiful structures, those food. Oh my God. Even this is just a little information about like Switzerland or Basel country. I really want to know their food, their sports, the population. And yeah, I know that you guys can help me more and put in a comment section because I really love this place and one of the most populous like city in Switzerland, Basel. That's why they choose this like host city in Switzerland, and I'm so excited with this year's Eurovision Song Contest. Seeing this amazing video from Christian Matthias, it was so great. And please do consider like subscribe also with his channel, guy. I put all in the description box below, even the Eurovision Song Contest. I had fun, I enjoyed with this one. I'm so really excited, and I haven't reacted to the artists will represent Switzerland. Soon I will put in my channel, guys, because I'm looking for a nice video of the performance of Switzerland to represent Eurovision Song Contest. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed with this one. And if you do, and if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Switzerland like video, like knowledge, or everything, the place of things to know about Switzerland or artists from Switzerland, put in the comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React. Thank you so much and have a good day, everyone. Bye bye. God bless and see you in my next video reaction.